In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Microsoft Advertising, so stay tuned. So I'm on ads.microsoft.com, and Microsoft Ads is a wonderful place where you can run campaigns in order to boost traffic to your website, convert more leads, and generate more sales. So Bing is a huge search engine, maybe not as big as Google or as popular as Google, but still really big. Microsoft owns Bing, and then they can run ads through Bing. So if you want to run search ads for potential buyers that are looking for the exact products that you are offering, then this may be a great place for you to put your campaigns. So we can look at some of the benefits. You can reach across tons of different devices. You can go global or local. It's easy to import your campaigns and other details from Google Ads. There's no minimum fee. You only pay for the clicks, so you make sure you're paying for performance. You can measure your performance, and you can set your budget day by day. One of the huge benefits of using Microsoft Ads that I've heard from several different marketers and other people is that you do get better results for less cost. Because Google is more competitive in the ad space, you can use Microsoft Ads with Bing to bid on keywords for a lower price, and you can still get results from quality traffic. So they have an FAQ section. You can learn more about their advertising. I'm going to show you what the dashboard looks like when you log in. I'm not going to go into all the details about how to create a campaign yet. If you want me to make videos on that, then say yes in the comments below. I'd absolutely love to do that, and I probably will. So when you log into your ad account, this is what it will look like. You'll have your dashboard, your spend, your clicks, and you can track conversions and impressions and stuff like that. So I'm running a CPA offer right now on bad credit loans, and I can make money per lead. I'm not doing any conversion tracking right now because I'm doing a different type of landing page conversion funnel. It has all the stuff that Google Ads has. It has your audiences, your keywords, competition, campaigns, ad groups, recommendations, all that stuff. It's a simple interface, it's fast, and you can get going with a campaign in no time. Also, the restrictions on compliance are pretty loose, so you can direct link to offers, and they have a lot less strict rules on copy. So in future videos, I'll talk more about how to create campaigns, but this is my quick overview on Microsoft Advertising. If you like this video, hit that like button, jump on that subscribe button, and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me. There's a video right after this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.